Assalamualaikum students, hope you all are fine and doing well. This is me Oxford Modern English book of 1 class. So open your book and open page number 2 of your book, unit number 1, Hanwar Stream. Today I will teach you unit number 1, one verse, that Hanwar Stream. What is our unit name? Anwar Stream. You know Anwar is the person name. What is meaning of dream? What is dream? When you are sleeping and you watch something in your dream is called dreaming. Images, thoughts in person mind when you that she or he is sleeping is called dream. Okay, words to know. It's mean words meanings. Okay, these are words and these are their meanings. Okay, first word is biting, biting, using teeth to cut into something, using teeth to cut into something. What means of biting? Biting means when eat something food you are using your teeth to chew the food. It's mean you are biting. Second word is COUN, count, TING, counting, saying the numbers one after the other to get to a total. What is meaning of counting? When you are totaling something, it's mean I am counting my fingers. Second word is nodding, 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 letting your head fall forwards when tired and falling asleep. Okay, these are words to know. Now we will start our chapter. Okay, it is a hot day. Okay, look in this picture, look at this picture. It is a hot day. Okay, Anwar is in his garden. Okay, this is Anwar and he is in his garden. Okay, this is a garden and Anwar is in his garden. Okay, it is a hot day. Okay, it means it is a summer season. He is sitting under that banana tree. It has big leaves. Okay, look at this picture. You can see in this picture Anwar is sitting under a banana tree. It has big leaves. Okay, 1 2 3. Anwar is counting ants. They are climbing a dead tree. Okay, this is Anwar and he is counting ants. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, like this he is counting the ants. They are climbing a dead tree. Anwar is nodding his head. He is closing his eyes. Okay, look at this picture. You can see in this picture Anwar is nodding his head. He is closing his eyes. Is Anwar thinking? Here is a question mark. Okay, is Anwar thinking? No, he is not. Okay, is he counting ants? No, he is not. Is he sleeping? Yes, he is. Okay, here Anwar is thinking. Here is the question is Anwar thinking? Is he counting ants? No, he is not. Is he sleeping? Yes, he is sleeping. Soon Anwar is dreaming. He is making a present. It is for his mother. Okay, soon Anwar is dreaming. He is making a present. It is for his mother. Okay, while reading, do you dream? What do you dream about? Okay, here is asking a question. Do you dream? What do you dream about? Okay, come to page number 3. Anwar is climbing the dead tree. He is sitting on a branch. Okay, look here at the look, you can see in this picture, here is the date tree, and that Anwar is climbing the date tree. He is sitting on a branch. Okay, chip chip, he is chopping it with an axe. Okay, chopping means to cut something. Okay, to cut something. He is chopping it with on that an axe. What is the meaning of axe? A tool that is we use for cutting wood. Okay, crick crick crack, crick crack crack. Anwar falls down. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Anwar shouts. Anwar wakes up. The horns are biting Anwar. Nip, nip, nip. The horns are biting Anwar. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Now he is dancing and shouting and running. Okay, this is your first unit number 1, Anwar's dreams. I have read you. Okay, so inshallah I will come in next with you. Allah Hafiz.